I like to start to get the pan hot first with some sesame seed oil. It gives it a nice flavor. I love a good egg roll, and this meal is so quick and easy to do. I literally get a bag of coleslaw mix from the grocery store that is already prepped, take it out of the bag, put it in a pan, saute it up, get some ground chicken, toss it in a pan, saute it up. Once I get those going really good, I just let them kind of work their magic. Side is cooking up real nice, the ground chicken. Also have some fortune cookies. Got that nice ground chicken, brown and right. I'll put my veggies over here on a plate to the side so that they can be combined together. So let's combine these bad boys into holy matrimony. Basically just let the two marry together. It's hard to do this with one hand, so I'll mix this up real good, come back, and then we'll get to rolling. Okay, got them married well together in the pan. They're all mixed up. The chicken mixed in with the veggies. Together they're one big happy family. So what I do next is take this mixture, let it cool for a minute, and then I'll roll it up in these wrappers, these egg roll wrappers, and then we'll fry them up. So I just wanted you guys to see how the happy family came together so well. Nice blended family. Got the Brady Bunch in here. So now, take these egg roll wrappers one at a time. Lay it on the plate like this. Get my little mixture right here. Come back over to the egg roll. Put a little bit down. Stay there looking at it. Got my camera guy helping me. So it's all messy, it's fine. Doesn't have to be perfect. You take the corner, roll it up, tuck it, take the end, tuck, in, tuck, and roll. And then when you get to this part here, I have some water on the side that I just dabbed on the edge because it's gonna seal it when you roll it. And boom, it's rolled. It's ready to be fried. Okay, now the egg rolls have been wrapped. They're stacked and wrapped, waiting to go into the oil. Look at these babies frying up real nice in the pan. And they're gonna look like this when I take them out, put them in here. This is the one I tested, sampled to make sure it was on point, and it is. So this is what we got going. These are about ready to come out. Got a few more, one more batch to put in and we'll be done. So the last two are coming out of the grease right now. Piling up over here with the rest of their buddies. Shake, shake, shake. So here's an egg roll that I have taste tested, and it tastes delicious. This is the inside. This is the outside. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Catch you next time. Peace.